Hi guys, it's Hi5 Trainer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a transforming ninja star. So let's go into the video. So this is how the transforming ninja star is going to look like after you're finished making it. Now I'm going to show you how to transform it. So push it in this way. This is how it looks after it's transformed, and then I'm going to show you how to make it back into normal. So just pull it out the same way you pull it in. So this is how it's going to transform and untransform again. So the materials you need are a pen or a pencil, a scissor, a ruler, and 2 sheets of A4 size paper. So now you need to make 8 9x9 squares. Now I've drawn 8 9x9 squares. Now I'm going to cut them. So now I have 8 squares. So first you need to take your first square and then fold it diagonally into half. And then open it and fold it again, but the other way. And then open it and fold it into half horizontally. Now open it and fold it like how I've done, and then do it to the other side too. Now fold it on the line, and with this part you push it inside into your fold that you have done. So then crease it, and then you need to make 7 more like how I've done here. Now let's make another one. So take your sheet of square, fold it diagonally, then open it and fold it the other way again, and crease it, open it, and then fold it into half, and then open it and fold it again. So fold it like how I've shown you, and then fold it the other way, and then fold it into half, and then you need to push this side into your paper. So you do this and then push it, and then crease it. So and then you need to make all of them the similar way. Now I've made all 8 of them. So firstly, you need to take 2 of them and put your second one into your first one where you pushed it in, and then fold the ones which are left over into the part of the opening in your second one, and then do it with the other one. And then take your third one and do the same thing. So you need to repeat it with all the rest of them. And the last one would be a little difficult. So push them both in, and then you need to try and put the first one into the last one and then do the same thing without breaking it. So there we go, a transforming ninja star. So now I'm going to show you how it's going to transform. So there we go, and then open it again. So this is the transforming ninja star. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified whenever I upload another video.